Hello everyone, this is Safal Jamling and today I am gonna give you some important information about Denmark. Well, if you guys are from EU countries and if you guys would like to work in Denmark, then you have to do three things in Denmark. The first thing you have to do is series registration. For that you have to take an appointment in Siri. You can take an appointment in two ways. One way is that you can take an appointment through online from Siri's website, and another way is that you can take an appointment by calling to Siri's office. On your appointment day, you have to take your passport with you, and you also take either job contract with you, or you have to show your bank balance on that day to the Siri office, and you also fill the form of Siri. So in this way you can do registration in Siri. Then second thing you have to do is you have to do the process of CPR number. For that you have to fill the form of international house, and you have to submit your documents as well, and you have to submit your series registration documents as well, and also you have to submit the address proof of your wherever you will be living in Denmark, and that documents will be given by your house owner. And then you will get to know from international house within couple of week if your documents meet all the criteria of international house. Then you can take an appointment through the email which will be sent by international house. Actually you can select on that email. You can choose your day, date and time through that email, and if your documents will not meet the criteria of international house, then they will send you email mentioning which documents you will be missing, and you have to submit again. They will mention on that email, and you have to again submit that missing documents. Then the same procedure, you can choose day, date and time which will you can choose through the email which will the international house will send you. Then on your appointment day you will get your CPR number, and for yellow card or CPR card you have to wait 1 week, which will be sent to your address which you will be given to international house. So in this way you can get CPR number and CPR card or yellow card. After that you will be eligible to work in Denmark legally, but then you have to do third thing also. The third thing is that you have to call to the SCAT. Otherwise, if you don't call to the SCAT, then they will deduct your income by 50%. So you will only get your money of 45%, because the SCAT will deduct your money 55%. So you will be only getting 45%. So that is why you have to call to SCAT. SCAT is a tax office of Denmark. So after completing these three steps, you will be eligible to work in Denmark, and your money will not be deducted by SCAT as well. So whatever money you are supposed to get, you will be having. So these are the three things you have to do in Denmark whenever you will come to Denmark for working purpose. So giving this information, I would like to conclude my today's this short information. Hopefully you guys find this information very like informative. So thank you so much, thank you for watching. And if you guys would like to know more about Denmark, then do subscribe my channel, which is Safal Graphic TV. Thank you so much.